Hello, this is Marvin from Sticky Stuff Sales, Glendale, Arizona. We're going to talk about mixing epoxy. It's really critical when you mix epoxies that you get it completely mixed, because the nature of the material is to stick to the side of your container. And if you do that, when you apply the epoxy to whatever you're doing, you'll sometimes pick up material that hasn't been mixed, and you'll have spots that will not cure ever. So I'm going to demonstrate the proper method for mixing epoxies, and I venture to say all epoxies, even though what we have here is very thin. This is a very, very thin epoxy, but I still do the same because it has a tendency to cling to the side of the container. So using mixing containers, and this happens to be a 2-to-1 ratio epoxy, 2 parts resin to 1 part hardener. So I'm going to add 4 ounces of the resin into here, into the measuring cup, to the 4-ounce line. There we go, 4 ounces of the resin side. I'm going to add 2 ounces of the hardener. Okay? In this case, the hardener is a little darker. Depends on what kind of epoxy you're using as to what your colors are and what your ratios are. But now that we've combined the proper ratio of resin to hardener, stir it. Very important to stir the sides and scrape the bottom repeatedly, mixing it quite well. Scrape your stick off periodically, mix again, and when you think that you have that mixed well, scrape your stick off. Take this material, your mixed epoxy, pour it into another container that's clean, and pour it absolutely dead center. Once you've done that, you want to scrape the container into the middle, and that's important, dead center. And now you mix again, and when you finish mixing the second time, scraping the sides and scraping the bottom, you will have a thoroughly mixed epoxy product that will serve you well and give you a finished product that's like you want it to be. Good mixing.